If you've been feeling constantly tired, dealing with bloating, or just want to take better care of your overall health, the Complete Liver Support from Purelia comes across as a well-thought-out supplement rather than just another trendy product. What makes it stand out is its liquid form, which many people find easier to absorb compared to capsules, and the blend of ingredients like Glutathione, NAC, milk thistle, and Dandelion Root, each known for supporting liver function and helping the body naturally detoxify. Instead of giving a temporary boost, it focuses on improving how your body works internally, which is why many users say they notice better energy levels, lighter digestion, and even improved mental clarity after using it consistently for a few weeks. Another good thing is the convenience. It doesn't feel like a task to take every day, and the formulation seems designed for long-term use rather than quick results. Of course, like any supplement, it's not an instant miracle, and results can vary depending on your lifestyle, diet, and overall health. But if you stay consistent, it feels like something that genuinely supports your system over time rather than just masking issues. So, is it worth it? Overall, yes, it feels like a worthwhile option if you're looking for a natural way to support liver health and improve your energy gradually. It's more of a steady, long-term wellness investment, and for many people, that makes it a solid choice.